In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize columns in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever opened a report in QuickBooks Online and felt overwhelmed by columns you don't need, or wished the most important details were front and center, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can quickly tailor your report to show exactly what matters to you. Start by opening the report you want to customize columns for. This could be anything you rely on regularly, like a profit and loss, a sales report, or an accounts receivable summary. The key is to begin with a report you actually plan to review or share, because your column choices should reflect the questions you're trying to answer. With the report open on your screen, you're ready to adjust what you see. Next, look to the top left of the report and click on Columns. This opens the column selector for the specific report you're viewing. Think of this as your control panel for what shows up in the grid. Depending on the report type, you'll see a list of available columns along with which ones are currently visible. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can make decisions quickly without digging through multiple menus. From here, you can edit the order of the columns or add and remove them. If you want certain information to appear earlier in the row, like customer, product or service, or transaction type, drag it higher in the list to bring it closer to the left side of your report. If a column isn't relevant to your analysis, simply deselect it to remove the distraction. On the other hand, if you realize you're missing important context, you can enable additional columns to fill that gap. The options you see are specific to the report you opened, so you'll only be choosing from fields that make sense for that layout. Once your selections feel right, click Save. This applies your changes, so your report reflects your preferred layout. Saving ensures you won't lose the adjustments you just made and keeps your view consistent the next time you open this report. If you're collaborating with a teammate or preparing to export or print, this step also helps ensure everyone sees the same clean and organized structure. And that's all. Open your report, click Columns, adjust the order and visibility, then save. With just these few steps, you'll make your reports faster to scan, easier to share, and far more useful for day-to-day decisions. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe.